Hello everybody, this is Rekha Goyal from Shikavardhana Public Higher Secondary School, Mandleshwar, and I have with me Honey Jain, who scored 93% in her 12th class board examination from Commerce stream. So first of all, Honey, congratulations to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Honey has been a good speaker and a good sportsman also, fine. And I must appreciate her. She balanced her academic and sports as well, right? So Honey, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling much overwhelmed and so happy because all of my teachers and my parents also they supported me to that extent that I'm able to score 93% in my board exams, and I'm so thankful to all my teachers too.
You expected this or it is something out of blue?
No, I expected it because my teachers they gave me constant support and motivation, and also I did best of myself, so I expected it.
How you manage your timings and stress, I would say?
I used to manage it because whenever every day I used to come at school, so some or the other thing, anything teachers would say, I would do, and then when I would feel low, I would talk to my teachers. They will give me different ways, various ways to boost my strength and feel light. And every day at night also, teachers used to talk like they're that time they act like they're more than teachers to us, like they're friends to us. They understand what we feel, they understood what I was feeling, and they supported us in that.
So how did you maintain your mental well-being?
Mental well-being also I maintained because I used to study also and I used to play also, and there was not much pressure from anyone that study all the time. Like it was all soothing, and
What about time management?
I was very bad at time management to be honest. But as I practiced everything, I did best of myself, and my teachers gave me various tasks to overcome this problem. And every day at night, also when I used to do self study, principal sir would come and he would ask me what is the status of my speed, and then he used to give me another way of improving it. So that's how I
The
practiced.
best thing was that you were welcome in the school anytime.
Yes.
Even after the school hours, you have that opportunity that you can come and sit here if you feel and study over here.
The school was more like a home to us than a school. All day long we used to be here in the school till 10 p.m. at night.
So any message you would like to give to the students, those who are now going to appear for board examination?
To everyone who's going to appear this year for the board examinations, I would like to say please be concentrated, please be focused, follow what your teacher says because they're always best at guiding you, and they would understand what you are feeling, where you are low, where you are weak, and they would really do it, make you better for preparing in boards and scoring better in boards.
Any regret?
Uh, no such regrets. I did everything in my class 12th also, and I
Is there any
studied-
something like that? If I would have done this would have happened, or I could have scored more, something like that?
Yes, it is. As I fell, I had a short accident before a board examination. So I feel like if it was all okay, I did not face that accident. So I guess it
But
was.
since you've been studying right from the very beginning, no? Like it was not at the last moment you started doing the thing. Since you had been studying right from the very beginning, so it was not a big loss sort of.
No, it was not a big loss, but the last moments are very crucial. No?
Definitely.
So that 1 week or 1.5 week was a waste for me. I could not study at all. I had
Now
bad
you are waiting
results.
for QT results.
Yes.
So wish you all the best to have admission in good college.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.